Power Drink. High protein and natural fiber.
Ang haba ng pila.
Support your body's natural ability to give you energy throughout the night. With Get Up and Go Cereal Oats Power Drink. Available in all supermarkets,
Yan si Manok.
groceries, and sari-sari stores nationwide.
Bispre
At pagkalat ng sakit na COVID-19. Palagiang maghugas ng kamay. Siguraduhin gusto ang paggamit ng mask. I-check ang temperatura para sa lagnat. Umiwas sa matataong lugar. Iwasang hawakan ang mukha kapag hindi pa nakakapaghugas ng mga kamay. Iwasan muna ang pagyakap, beso-beso o paghalik sa ngayon. Maging maingat, maging ligtas.
Basta't laging handa at sama-sama, kaya natin ito. Hatid sa inyo ng PCOO, DOH, KBP at ng impilang ito.
You're listening to The Roadshow with Alice on Wish 107.5.
Welcome back to the Roadshow here on Wish 107.5. 5:47 is our Wish time.
Ano?
And before we close out our
Ano
second
sa'yo?
hour,
Chicken.
your Roadshow on the go question. I'm
Ano
wondering,
sa'yo?
what are you trying to avoid? Over at our Facebook page, we
Cheesy
have
burger
Kapitan
lang
who is trying to avoid mistakes.
Yeah,
And he would like to think first before doing his
Char.
actions.
Parang yung parang yung mga kanina to, oh, yung salamin.
Moving on to an answer coming from Carmela de la Peña. She says she is avoiding negativity, hate, anger, argument, hopelessness, and the
Ay,
like.
oo.
We are all facing a continuity at this moment, and she just wishes that she would be able to see the end of it, and she would also be with those people that she loves as we all pass this time. Moving on to an answer coming from
Adik
Melissa.
Ad.
She says, Alice, I'm trying to avoid being alone as I am gaining weight this quarantine. For EJ Rigor, it is stress. For Miko Reyes, it is highly political people and those who really
Ay, si nanay pala. Ayaw daw niya eh. Ha? Pangag man niyo? As yeah. Ang dami ko ng puting buhok. Matanda na ako. Ayan.
Hindi na siya?
Wala, hindi. Ayun.
Hello, pati dati Pinoy.
Walang ano sa akin tinga, walang french fries, wala ding drinks. Ano lang siya, yung
Isang a la carte na...
dalawa.
Ay, dalawang a la carte na crispy chicken sandwich. Okay po. Tapos, isang regular na vanilla iced coffee.
Iced coffee vanilla?
Oo.
Okay po.
Tsaka burger McDo, regular. Ay, yung ano lang.
Wala,
A la
wala.
carte lang din.
Okay na.
Ikaw. Ano ba?
Yun, dalawa.
Okay na.
Okay. Hindi kasama eh.
Okay na po. Nakadouble check sa monitor kasama po yung order. Okay na.
Ask ko lang pa how much yung
Magkano ba yun? 500.
Okay po, yun yung drive. Thank you.
Thank you.
Archie.
Asa na si Papa mo?
Ayun.
Saan?
Ayun, no? Ayun. Hindi siya masug.
Kayo mag-drive.
Sino mag-drive?
Kayo.